My name's Barry Reitman. I'm the author of Secrets, Tips, and Tricks of a Powerful Memory. And I'd like to discuss the question of what's normal forgetfulness? Or do I have a serious problem in my forgetfulness? Let me start out with a disclaimer. I am not a medical professional. I am not a psychologist. But I have some experience in the area of memory, certainly. If you think you have a problem, please feel encouraged to speak to your family physician about it. They will know exactly what questions to ask to see if you need to go the next step. In all likelihood, you do not have a serious problem. In all likelihood, the pressures of everyday living are reaching you, and you can use some of the many techniques in this series to get around those problems. But don't shy away from it. I personally have a serious medical-related memory problem that I only realized almost by accident. And I'm sorry I didn't realize it sooner. I could have done something sooner. So the answer is, you probably don't have a serious problem, but I don't believe any general video can answer that. Speak to a medical professional.